Hi, good evening, dear friends. Punarvas Jaikumar here. The results are just out, and many students have messaged me that they have cleared, and definitely students have messaged me saying that they could not get through. And my analysis is, I think the first group paper evaluation was tough. Everything, all the four subjects of group number one. Group two was okay, standard, but group one evaluation was kind of tricky, is what I could gauge. Guys, I know that, you know, though I'm happy for all the students who have cleared and got excellent marks in paper 60 and paper 4, I also am very much with the people who could not clear. Do not worry, friends. So this is a quick message for the ones who could not get through, to tell that don't worry, look, I'm here for you, and all the faculty, the entire faculty fraternity is there for you, not just me. And of course, your parents, friends, everyone are there for you. And also to congratulate the ones who cleared. So a short video I wanted to make. Uh, for the ones who could not clear, guys, you may think that, okay, COVID anyway was a threat, and because of COVID, we could not, concentrate properly, and maybe CA Institute would be lenient. But this is a huge wake-up call for us that, it is not lenient as such. They have, evaluated in a very standard manner, and things are going to maybe gonna get uh, tougher going forward, may or may not, doesn't matter. But what should really get tougher by the day is our state of mind and our zeal to clear the examination. So there are 21 motivational audios that I have released during the lockdown. I would strongly suggest for the ones who did not clear to go through that. And I would also show you the marks of some of the other students, just to motivate you that maybe, that is a stepping stone for our success. It's okay. Success is just around the corner. It's just that the route to success may take some time. For all the ones who felt, hard done by the institute, hard done by your own studies and your methodology, whatever the case may be, I just want to read out this poem, which also was there in my motivational audio clip. It's a wonderful poem that I found during my CA days, and I always used to see this and feel now, some sudden rush of energy. When things go wrong, as they sometimes will, maybe for some of us today, when the road you're trudging seems all uphill, all you can see is the road uphill and it's never ending there. When the funds are low, of course, and the debts are high, this is the correct time to say that, and you want to smile, but all you have is sigh. You are crestfallen, you're tired, and you don't know what to do. When care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but you should never ever quit, guys. Life is queer with its twists and turns, as every one of us sometimes learns, and many a failure turns about when he might have won had he stuck it out. Beautiful line. When he might have won had he stuck it out. Stick it out for a few more months, buddies, you will win. Don't come back now. It is too late. Don't give up. Though the pace seems slow, yes, the pace is slow. It's okay. 1 year, 2 years, you might succeed with another blow, right? You might succeed with one other blow. I just want to show a mail that I just got now, a mail which my student, just see this wonderful line here. Finally cleared CA after 11 years, right? Amazing. So hearty congratulations, buddy, for clearing C after 11 years. He has, sent a very detailed mail. I'm not going to get into it. I just got the mail now, felt so happy. What did he do? He just succeeded with one other blow. 10 years he did, 10.5 years he did. That person, Mr. Marshall, took it up long time back, after a long break, but he did it, right? Often the goal is nearer than it seems to a faint and faltering man. It's just here the goal, but you're seeing almost 1 kilometer ahead. Often the struggler has given up when he might have captured the victor's cup. The cup is right there, he's about to catch it, but alas. But he learned too late when the night slipped down how close he was to the golden crown. Are you getting it, my buddies? Golden crown with CA inscribed on it. Success is failure turned inside out. You turn the failure inside out, you'll get success. The silver tint of the clouds of doubt. And you never can tell how close you are. You're just there. It may be near when it seems afar. So stick to the fight, buddies, when you're hardest hit. Today you may feel that you're hit the hardest. There is no way down. Always remember, when you're always down, falling down, 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 you will hit rock bottom. There is nothing below rock bottom. After that, you only need to go up. It's when things seems worst that you mustn't quit. So please do not quit, my dear friends. Please do not quit. Stick it out there. See, when my one of my buddies could get clear CA after 11 years, a wonderful mail that I received. You can do it. So this is a small message to all of you who could not do it. Similarly, now we should be the bigger man, a bigger lady here, and congratulate the ones who have done it. So from all the messages that I've received, I've just taken a few and congratulating all these people who have scored excellent, who have scored well. 68 in paper 6D, 58 in paper 4 and 66 in paper 60. Send me a screenshot. This person Harshit has scored 71 in paper 60. Congratulations, Harshit. One more person, Srinivas, 71 in paper 60. Exemption in paper 60. Exemption in paper 60. Predominantly these people have written second group. 65 in paper 60. They have already cleared first group. This person has written both 413, 74 in paper 60, and in fact this 60 ka thing has made this person set off both first and second group, because first group he has got 188. 52 in paper 4 and 76 in paper 60. If you see paper 1, 2, 3, 4, predominantly everyone has got slightly lesser compared to the previous attempts, because it has been the evaluation has been strict there. 72 in paper 60, and yeah, also this person has told that couldn't get the expected marks, but he's learned how to read the Bayer Act and all those things. 65 in paper 60, again 54 in paper 4 and 70 in paper 60. 509, my very dear student Ronak, he missed the rank by a few marks. So it is, if you see in the first group it's 239, the second group is got 270. So if you see the difference, actually the first group they have evaluated in a tough manner. So guys, let us congratulate these people also. There are very few students, many others who have been sending messages, but before that I wanted to really talk about the ones who could not clear. The ones who cleared, congratulations, you've scored exemption, and you've sent me text saying that the Bayer Act methodology really helped in cracking 4 and 60. But the ones who could not get through, do not quit, guys. Very important, don't quit. Take a day or two off, let the mind cool down, and then at it. The success is right here. You have to decide, you have to commit, and you have to succeed. It's right here, correct? Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. The roads are very twisty and turny, but it will lead to very picturesque locations. Don't worry. And knowledge is an investment that always pays richest dividend. So just hang in there, guys. Just hang in there, and you will really enjoy life once you come out of the comfort zone. That is all you need to do. And it's okay. You should push yourself to the maximum, because nobody else is going to push it for you. Do not quit, right? Please do not quit, because this dialogue, you might succeed with just one other blow, though the pace is slow. And when my buddy could clear after 11 years, I'm sure you can also do it. So on this note, congratulations to the one who cleared, hats off to you. But for the ones who could not, it's absolutely okay, guys. We are all here for you. If you want, you can message me personally on WhatsApp. I'm going to counsel you, don't worry. We can do a live session as well, where we can discuss shortcomings and all those things. Do not worry, okay? So all the very best. And those of you who want a law fast track, again come. But those who do not have already, those who have already taken my regular batch, do not come for any fast track. Sit and revise the same thing. I'm going to upload probably a marathon revision video and amendment classes. But those who want a fast track can definitely come. I'm taking it on February 10th. But it's okay, guys. Today and tomorrow, don't think about all these things. I'm sure you are going to rock it, and I'm sure there are so many success stories that we can be proud of. You're going to rock it. So buddies, I'm here with you. Do not worry, right? We will get through this together, and next attempt you will definitely clear. On the same note, congratulations to the ones who have really cleared and who have found success today. So you have made everybody proud, but don't worry. For the others, don't worry. It's okay. We'll get there. All right. On this note, I take your leave. Love you all, guys. Thank you so much.